Look at Earth from space, and one thing instantly stands out. It shines as a vivid blue sphere, swirling with bright white clouds against the blackness of space. Among all the planets, it looks completely unique. You've probably seen these images before, Earth looking like a glowing blue marble. The continents seem small, almost secondary, compared to the vast oceans covering the surface. But that raises a simple and fascinating question. Why does Earth appear so blue compared to other planets? The answer begins with something very familiar: water. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans, making water the most dominant feature of our planet. From space, these massive oceans don't act like mirrors. Instead, they absorb most colors of sunlight, especially reds and oranges, while shorter wavelengths like blue are scattered and reflected back toward space. Bright white clouds add contrast, making the blue stand out even more. Together, this creates the strong blue appearance we see from orbit. But oceans aren't the only reason. Earth's atmosphere also plays a major role in enhancing this effect. As sunlight passes through the atmosphere, tiny molecules scatter shorter wavelengths of light more effectively. This process, known as Rayleigh scattering, spreads blue light in all directions. That scattered blue light combines with the blue from the oceans, making the planet appear even more vividly blue from space. This is why astronauts often describe Earth as the blue marble. From their perspective, oceans dominate the view, while land appears in smaller patches. Even clouds add to the beauty, creating bright white swirls that contrast sharply against the deep blue background. Now here's something even more important. That blue color isn't just visually stunning, it tells us something critical about Earth. Liquid water is extremely rare in the universe, especially in such large amounts on a planet's surface. And where there is liquid water, there is the potential for life. So Earth's blue appearance is actually a sign of something extraordinary, a planet filled with oceans that support complex ecosystems and living organisms. If Earth didn't have this much water, it would likely look more like Mars or Venus, dry, dusty, and far less inviting. Instead, this blue color is a signature of habitability. It's one of the key reasons Earth is able to support life as we know it. So the next time you see that iconic image of Earth from space, remember, it's not just beautiful. It's a visual clue to what makes our planet so special. Earth is called the blue planet because its oceans, atmosphere, and clouds combine to give it that unmistakable blue appearance. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.